So atoms inter second year physics, potential energy of electron formula derivation students. So what is potential energy of electron? Potential energy of electron is defined as energy gained by electron due to its position is called potential energy of electron, so denoted by U. So you know electron is revolving around the nucleus, so in orbits. So due to nucleus, while it is revolving around the nucleus in orbits, so with respect to its position or their position, the electrons will get energy which is called potential energy. Potential energy of electron is the product of electric potential of electron into charge of electron. So but electric potential of electron due to nucleus. But in electrostatic potential and capacitances, for electric potential we derived the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. It is electric potential due to nucleus when electron is revolving around the nucleus in orbits. So this implies V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So charge of the nucleus Q is E, which is the charge of nucleus, and charge of electron is a negative. Charge of electron is a negative, that is minus E. So now substitute this formula, electric potential formula, and charge of electron in this equation, we get the formula for potential energy. So this implies U is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is electric potential formula. This is we are substituting into E by R into charge of electron, this is minus E. So U is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus E square by R. So this implies U is equals to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So this is a potential energy of electron. So kinetic energy of electron already derived in the previous class. So Ke is equals to 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught E square by R, and this is. Now in the next video we explained what is the total energy of electron. Energy of electron we explain while it is revolving. So that's all today's class.